Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. As the gaming community eagerly anticipates the next evolution of Nintendo's flagship console, we're taking a closer look at the latest Nintendo Switch 2 rumors. This in-depth exploration will dissect the most recent speculations, examining their validity and potential implications for the future of gaming. Additionally, we'll be analyzing the recent Nintendo Switch Online update, which has introduced a plethora of exciting features and enhancements. By examining these developments in tandem, we'll gain a deeper understanding of Nintendo's strategic direction and the potential innovations that await us in the world of gaming. Buckle up as we embark on this comprehensive analysis of the latest Nintendo Switch 2 rumors and the Nintendo Switch Online update. Nintendo Switch 2, a closer look. Recent murmurs from developers have ignited speculation surrounding the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. A tantalizing hint has emerged from the indie title Ruffy and the Riverside, which has sparked intrigue with its deliberate phrasing of Nintendo Switches in its early 2025 release announcement. This enigmatic language has led many to believe that the game is targeting not only the current Switch, but also its forthcoming successor. Considering Nintendo's penchant for surprise releases and aggressive marketing strategies, it's entirely plausible that the Switch 2 could launch as early as Q1 2025. Such a move would enable a rapid rollout, maximizing the console's impact and capitalizing on the excitement surrounding its release. As the gaming community eagerly awaits official confirmation, the whispers of an early Switch 2 release continue to build momentum. Nintendo Switch Online, a fresh dose of nostalgia. As the gaming community eagerly anticipates the arrival of the next-generation console, Nintendo remains committed to enriching the current Switch experience through its online service. The latest addition to the Nintendo Switch Online library is the beloved classic Donkey Kong Land. This timeless, pixelated adventure whisks players away to a bygone era, offering a poignant nostalgic trip for longtime fans. The inclusion of Donkey Kong Land in the Nintendo Switch Online library serves as a testament to Nintendo's dedication to preserving its rich gaming heritage. By providing access to a diverse array of classic titles, Nintendo continues to enhance the overall Switch experience, catering to both new and veteran gamers alike. As we await the next evolution of Nintendo's console offerings, the Nintendo Switch Online service remains a vibrant and engaging platform, celebrating the company's storied past while paving the way for an exciting future. A closer look at the Nintendo Switch OLED bundle deal. In a surprise move, retail giant Target has unveiled a substantial discount on the Nintendo Switch OLED Mario Kart 8 Deluxe bundle, sparking widespread speculation within the gaming community. This unprecedented price drop has led many to believe that Target may be attempting to clear inventory in anticipation of the impending launch of the Nintendo Switch 2. If true, this would suggest that the Switch 2's release may be imminent, potentially as early as 2025. The implications of this price drop are multifaceted. On one hand, it presents a fantastic opportunity for gamers to acquire the popular bundle at a reduced price, making it an attractive proposition for those seeking to upgrade or enter the world of Nintendo Switch gaming. On the other hand, it fuels speculation surrounding the Switch 2's launch timeline, leaving many to wonder if an early 2025 release is plausible. As the gaming community eagerly awaits official confirmation of the Switch 2's launch, this price drop has undoubtedly generated excitement and anticipation. The addition of Donkey Kong Land to the Nintendo Switch Online library has further contributed to the buzz, offering a nostalgic trip for longtime fans and a chance for new players to experience a classic title. And remember, stay tuned to Technology in the Future for the latest gaming news and updates.